Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to walk you through an internet miracle recipe that I actually tracked down and tested step by step. The Dr. Emma Clark pumpkin seed recipe. You've probably seen it all over YouTube and Facebook, promising you can lose 25 pounds in just 4 weeks with some simple warm water trick using things from your own kitchen. So here's what happened when I followed the breadcrumbs. First, I started seeing these ads all over YouTube. Always the same setup. A woman in a bright kitchen surrounded by lemons, honey, maybe apple cider vinegar, and a few other things. She's super cheerful, claiming she dropped 6 pant sizes in a few weeks. No diets, no workouts, no expensive meds, just this doctor's secret. I clicked on the ad to see where it would take me. It landed me on a website called Optimal Wellness Hub. The headline hit me with newly discovered bedtime routine, melts 62 pounds of fat fast. According to the site, a Dr. Patla, supposedly with big credentials, discovered a way to reactivate your metabolism and help you burn fat with almost zero effort. Sounds amazing, right? Then they ask you to watch a special video to find out the secret. So, I click through and suddenly I'm on another page made to look like some kind of breaking health news site. It's got an article by Emma Clark, who is apparently Hollywood's top nutritionist. There's a big flashy headline, a giant video, and of course, a comment section overflowing with success stories. But here's the catch. You can't add your own comment no matter what you do. So I sat through the entire video. I lost count of how many before and after photos they flashed, or how many times they promised to reveal the fat-burning seed that's going to change my life. But surprise, the video never actually gives a clear recipe. They just keep saying it's coming up, but all you get is hype, testimonials, and emotional music. Once the video ends, a hidden section pops up with a quick personalized quiz. I went through it, super generic questions like my age and weight, and then, just like magic, I'm told, congratulations. Your personalized gut drops formula is ready. Here's where the real sales pitch starts. Suddenly, it's all about gut drops, which supposedly melts fat, balances your gut, and burns calories 24/7. The page is plastered with impressive-looking badges, FDA Approved, 100% natural ingredients, and all that jazz. But when I scrolled down and actually read the tiny disclaimer, it flat out says none of the claims are proven and the FDA hasn't approved any of it. Everything above ? Just marketing. I decided to dig even deeper. The video and website are stacked with glowing reviews and transformation stories, but I noticed you can't post anything yourself, so I checked Trustpilot, 0 real reviews. On Amazon, though, the truth comes out. The average rating is just about 2.5 stars, with plenty of people saying the product did absolutely nothing, caused bloating, or even arrived broken. My favorite review pointed out that the ingredient label doesn't even mention pumpkin seed extract, which is the entire basis of their ad campaign. And about those so-called money-back guarantees, based on dozens of reports, people never get their money back. No returns, no actual customer support, just excuses. To really see who was behind this, I looked up their website domains. Both are super new, privately registered, and there's no clear company info anywhere. Classic red flag. So here's what I found after tracking this whole thing, from YouTube ad to fake news site to checkout page. The Dr. Emma Clark pumpkin seed recipe and gut drops are just the latest in a long line of weight loss scams. There's no miracle drink that melts away 60 pounds while you sleep, no matter how slick the ad looks. Don't waste your money, don't fall for the hype, and always check real independent reviews before you buy anything online. If you've seen this scam or if you've had a similar experience, drop your story in the comments. I want to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and as always, like and subscribe for more scam busting investigations. Stay safe out there.